Hey Kelly, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Victor on the phone and he told me that you would be the most interested in seeing the screencast. So here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which right away I can tell that you guys spent some time or some money into this. I know that you guys are a bigger company, so I wouldn't expect anything less. And so scrolling through here, it seems like you do have a decent amount of content. However, Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and it came up you guys have around 900. So we want to add in a bit more content on here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through the site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And so over here, I've hopped over to Google. The keyword I will be using for the sake of this video is artificial grass San Antonio. This is a great keyword. It brings in well over 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the Google search bar, we may typically see some Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, they can definitely be a big money waster if they're done incorrectly, but if done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right down here, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is great, particularly if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all really good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of them than these 3 are right here. And we want to make sure that you have more than all of the competitors for each location that you serve as well. And so scrolling back up, this is the first organic search result. Organic search results should definitely be your main area of focus. They're going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results. They're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks pretty good as well. I did a word counter search. They actually only have 500 words on here. So it would be extremely easy to beat them out content-wise. But also keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one of the smaller services you do, and we want to beat out all of your competition with the content. So in addition to content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website, and you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So for example, if a local construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using this tool. It gives me a lot of great information, although it is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information, like I said. And so here is the competitor that we were just looking at. And it tells me that they have 786 backlinks from 301 different domains and are ranking organically for 1,800 keywords. And so we can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. We want to keep an eye out for ones that have buyer's intent, meaning when someone searches it, they are almost certainly going to want to purchase something from you. And we also want to look for ones that are location specific. And so we can go through, see which ones apply to what you do, incorporate those into your content. We would also have to look through a lot of other competitors' keywords and all the locations that you provide services to as well. So now I want to go back and I want to do basically the same exact thing that I just did with the keywords with their backlinks. And so it's telling me that they have 786 backlinks. We don't want to just beat out all of your competitors with the quantity of backlinks. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so we can go through and find which ones have a high DR, domain rating. We can see which ones we can snag for your site, go through other competitors' backlinks, and find some on our own. And so 725 backlinks is definitely beatable. It seems like a lot, but do keep in mind also that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide in one of the areas that you provide those services. And we need to look through all of your competitors' backlinks to ensure that you are beating them all out. And so, really quickly, before I wrap this up, I've typed in your site into Ahrefs. And right now it's telling me you guys have 59 different backlinks from 19 different domains and are ranking organically for 34 keywords. So let's just see which keywords those are. And so again, we want to look for buyer intent keywords. And so it looks like even for your own name, you are only ranking somewhere around in the middle of the first page. We definitely want to add in some more good high-powered backlinks and keywords in here to make sure that you guys are ranked for all of the right things. And I think we can definitely get you guys rised in the ranks if we were to incorporate the 3 things we talked about into your marketing plan. And to recap what those are, number 1, we want some more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, we want more citations for all of your Google My Business pages to get them ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you would like to learn more, you can give me an email back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.